All right, well, this isn't the greatest news. I've been struggling with the channel, trying to keep it active, and, YouTube's a game. How many views can you get? So I did a broadcast for my friend George's 85th birthday. We're live from Cheers Bar. And yeah, we were kind of just, showing the bar, and in the background, obviously there was music going on, and, we got a copyright strike. And the channel, which, it's a smaller channel. You can see here, though, that my views in November, a couple hundred to a couple thousand. And then it's steadily declining after the January 19th birth date that I did the live broadcast. And now we're down to these type of results. Now, I mean, the content is what it is. So I'm not broadcasting viral content, but you can see 70, 36, like 69, 23, 25, 24. I mean, the views just dropped significantly. So if you wouldn't mind, if you think that you might know someone that might be interested in my content or properties that are on my channel, please like, comment, and share. I know everyone asks for that, but as you can see, I will be under severe limitations and restrictions where the algorithm is not suggesting me to anyone that's not subscribed, to the point where, I can do a video and get 24 views on a property. So, Buying Dominican Republic is the channel on YouTube. You're obviously here now if you're watching it on YouTube, but asking for your help to share, comment, and like, and subscribe until April 23rd. Hopefully, when the restrictions are lifted and my channel gets back to normal. Peace, love, hug your neighbor, and I am out.